Cleopatra didn't just rule Egypt. She ran secret underground trades that made her untouchable. Today, AI does the same for your bank account. While her enemies watched the throne, she controlled the gold behind the scenes. Nobody saw it coming. Today's version? Selling products online without ever touching inventories, powered entirely by AI. The first tool finds winning products before anyone else spots them. While others guess, you already know. The second runs your ads automatically, targeting buyers while you sleep. No experience needed. The AI handles everything. The third writes your product descriptions, your emails, your captions. Instantly, your entire store, running on autopilot. Stack all three, and you have a $1,000 per month business, running while you live your life. No inventory, no office, no boss. Here is the exact prompt Cleopatra would have used if she had ChatGPT. Copy it, paste it, watch what happens. She built an empire without anyone knowing how. The gold was always there, hidden in plain sight. Now, it is your turn.